Wood Carving Arts. Hey everyone! I'm here with Kaya's master carver, Mr. Patuk.
Parallarivsi, welcome to my wood shop. What can I do for you?
Can you show us how to carve some projects out of wood?
I would be happy to teach you.
Koyana, thank you! I've sketched out some ideas in my notebook. Tap the arrows to see the other projects.
Tap the notebook to start a project.
A handle for an ulu knife. A whistle. A bowl.
That's one of my favorites. I'll show you how to carve a bowl. Draw an outline of your project on the wood with a grease pencil.
What's a grease pencil?
A grease pencil is a special kind of pencil made of wax for drawing on wood.
Tap the arrow when you're ready for the next step. We did it!
You drew the outline so neatly. It's time to choose the first carving tool for this project. You'll need a gutter adze. What could you use to learn about the tools in my wood shop?
I found a website about carving tools. We can use it to pick the right one. An adze is a carving tool used to cut a rough shape out of wood. Lip adze, gutter adze, straight adze. When I'm reading and I don't know what a word means, I look for clues in the words and pictures. The picture shows different adzes. Which tool looks like an adze?
Yes, that's the gutter adze. Use the gutter adze to create the basic shape of the bowl. Tap to chop off a chunk of wood. Did you know there's a baby adze?
Aww! Why is it called a baby adze?
It makes much smaller cuts. The bigger the tool, the more wood you'll remove at once.
Tap the arrow if you want me to finish this step.
You're a great carver.
Tap the arrow when you're ready for the next step. Davra, all done!
Yoy! Wow, you worked hard! Time to pick your next tool. You'll need a curved gouge.
Let's read about it on the website. Use a curved gouge to scoop out the interior of a spoon or bowl. Choose a different tool for carving the outside. Interior must mean inside. Which tool could scoop out the interior of the wood?
Yes, that's the curved gouge. Use the curved gouge to carve out the inside of the bowl.
What kind of wood is this?
The wood we're using comes from an alder tree. It doesn't grow very big, so it's perfect for smaller projects.
We're finished, Mr. Patuk.
Nice! You carved out the wood so well. Time to pick your next tool. You'll need a hook knife.
Let's read about it on the website. The hook knife's shape is great for carving a concave shape, like the inside of a bowl or spoon. Concave must mean the inside part of a spoon or bowl. Which tool could carve out the concave part?
Yes, that's the hook knife. Use the hook knife to finish the inside of the bowl.
Why do we need to wear gloves while we're carving?
We wear special cut-resistant gloves to protect ourselves when working with sharp knives.
Tap the arrow when you're finished. How does this look?
Yoy! Wow, you worked hard! Time to pick your next tool. You'll need a scraper.
Let's read about it on the website. Many carvers choose a flat metal scraper to smooth wood because it's not disposable. They can use it again and again. Disposable must mean it's made to be thrown away. Which tool is not disposable?
Yes, that's the scraper. Use the scraper to smooth out your bowl. Drag the tool across the wood.
Do you always use a scraper on your carving projects?
Sometimes I don't, and keep the rough texture of the wood to give it a different look.
We did it!
Nice! You smoothed out the wood so well. Add walnut oil to stain and seal your bowl. Drag the brush across the wood.
Does the oil make it taste like walnuts?
Naomi, no. The oil helps bring out the beautiful...
Devra, all done!
The oil finish looks amazing.
We made a bowl!
In the past, bowls like this one were used to carry food to our ancestors.
Masicho. Thank you for your help.